behind your mask of white noise silence, I hear the wailing of a tortured violin. Empty snow-white spaces between the secret verses. This absurdity of an opera can finally begin. Now leave me alone in my own comfort zone. No fears or panic from any direction. Don't chase me away if I choose here to stay, or if I change my mind upon deeper reflection. Under this carpet of white noise silence, I place the key that deciphers the treasure map. And on the empty paper between the towns and highways, climb into my hideaway for another solitary nap. And in this year of white noise silence, I see all the changes to familiar scenery. And in abandoned quarters where no creature arises, crumbling walls will keep me safe from despair or injury. Just call on the phone if you're in my time zone. No cheers, no static coming from any known direction. Don't force me to go if I don't need to know, or disturb my train of thought leading to introspection. White noise silence, white noise silence. White noise, silence. White noise, silence. White noise, silence. White noise, silence.